Some in here. The end. Oh my gosh. Give me mine.
No, wait. We don't want that on videotape. Wonder if I can take that off. Oh, that's.
Mommy, do you know how popular
You know we're going to vote on should they be retired? They're taking internet votes.
Yeah.
But then they'll never get
These pants are all.
Wait, what Beanie Baby is that?
Really?
Yes, they're like perfect.
Did you want them with pockets in them or not? We didn't.
We need pockets.
What's that? What's that on the front?
Oh! How did you know I would want one of these? Do you know I got one of these for Lauren and I carried it around all yesterday and I was considering not giving it to her?
Oh.
Wait, Mom, it doesn't have dirt all over it. Why would Katie like it?
Here.
I like my sleeping bag. Ew.
I know you can't see me. Just track my voice.
Dad, can we go open our stockings? No, better not yet.
Oh,
Yeah.
Whoa.
We can?
Yeah.
Got those hands.
I'm real proud of the way Bugs is doing it.
Oh my goodness, you got it.
Oh,
Is that the one?
Yeah, that's it.
Mom.
This is really perfect. Perfect.
Listen, we got Bubs a bite.
where is it?
You know, he's so disappointed.
Yeah, where is
we
it?
put a little note in his stocking wrapped it
Push on that.
and it's up in the little
In here?
AT&T.
Let's go get our stocking.
How'd you get your...
Let the dog.
That's from Annie K. Rowe.
Hey, Dad. Jungle Ball.
Jungle, baby.
Oh, that's what
Hey, could you let Goldie in?
Yo. Cody!
Yes. But I don't like this.
Dad, there's something in here?
There's something in the backpack, isn't there?
I don't know. I guess you'll have to find out, won't you?
Thank you, Santa. I wonder if it's a sleeping bag like mine.
Wow.
That's what's in your stocking.
I don't know. I'm just opening this little present. That's hay.
Yes!
Oh, yeah, we all use all the stuff.
Climbing
now.
shoes.
Yes! Oh,
Climbing shoes.
Oh, sweet. That was awesome.
I know.
Whoa, are you like a stocking
Mama.
green?
What, you buy them a lot.
Mommy, but look. Mommy, that's not it. Mommy, Miss Claus kissed my panda. Mommy, Miss Claus kissed my panda. Can I go?
Did you open my present for you?
And Rob,
What's it say, Bub?
that's hey Rob, that's a National Geographic subscription.
Mama called you up.
They'll be coming to your door.
Oh, wow. That's awesome.
Oh, that is so cute. Oh, I'm done. Oh, I can't stand to see that Bub's disappointed. It's a killer.
What
Robbie,
did he ask?
look at all the stuff I got in my stocking. I can't even see it. What is it? Some golf balls and a Rolo.
It's a magazine you'd like. I'd like to get you a magazine.
A subscription?
Yeah.
Yeah, these two. Oh, nice. I definitely need these. Oh, my God.
That's thanks to Annie K. Rowe.
Yeah. If you guys decide to, what's your present?
Yes!
Oh, man.
Perfect.
Call these cards. The right system. Because yeah, look, like 7.
Oh, yeah.
PlayStation 2, but even 7 games on this.
Go Bubs!
Nintendo's coming out with a brand new system that's not compatible. I don't think.
Can't wait to
Yeah,
sleep in my
so-
sleeping bag.
I would say
The bottom thing better be hot tomorrow.
I guess the battery's going out. Bob, I can't see you, but I hear your voice.
I'm over here.
oh!
Hey!
We are playing football today.
We are.
Not with this football. This is like a nice.
I mean, he is in camouflage.
All right. We're ready. What be that? I love that. Yeah, the old man.
Oh, that's sweet of you to do that.
Oh.
Oh, babe.
You want to get one?
Huh?
Do you want to get it?
Will somebody help me put these
It's
on?
got to go on the wall of fame.
Mom, do you know how to put these on?
Yeah, I'll hook you up. Yeah, now the deal, we got to talk to you about that, Bubs. But there's a story about those.
Catherine Patricia Quinn is the daughter of Dr. and Mrs. Robert Sean Quinn, sponsored by the Oasis Center. She is presented by her father. Katie is escorted by her brother, Robert Province.
That's a picture to take to
This is video. This is.
I know this is big smooth.
Whoa! You're gonna want to record Oprah over on top of that.
Yeah. We'll be sending these to Katie.
I want to get that downward shot. I want to get that shot down the...
Yeah, good, Rob. Hey, Johnny.
Watch out for the thorns in those things,
Hey, Johnny, here, do me. What?
Very sophisticated.
Okay, here.
Very sophisticated. You're so
Here.
You gotta do it!
Yeah. It's a ball dropping from Times Square. Come on. Has to be done.
She got it all. This girl's got it all.
Save the negatives.
Yes! You're right! Yes! This is the mother of
I can't see. I was right.
Yes! Robbie!
It's dangerous to go past 4 children.
That's right. That's what happened.
All right. Okay, Quinn, let's go. You're on. It's time. It's almost midnight.
No!
10, 9, 8, 7. No, it's
10:35. Oh, you got to say it.
5.
The man after your father's
I
pie.
think K's 50th. You got some material there.
Okay. That's all right.
Hey, back your defense in there, guys.